Lesson 53. Places. Part A. General place words. Come here, please. Here means to me, to where I am. Have you been to Lima? I'm going there in April. There means not here, another place. Max is coming back from Portugal in May. Back means to here again, to this exact place. There are books and papers everywhere in my room, in all parts, all places in my room. Part B. Prepositions. Luke is in the kitchen making dinner. There are 2 restaurants in the village. Samantha lives in Seoul, South Korea, Asia. So we use the preposition in when we mean some kind of borders. In. I'll meet you at the station. I always see it at the front of the class. At, we use it when we have an imaginary dot. Spot. The exact spot, the exact position, when you are. I like that photo on the wall. Don't put your books on the chair. I want to sit on it. On we use for different surfaces. On the wall, on the chair, on the beach. So, part C. Positions. At the top of the mountain, that is the top, at the middle of the road, at the bottom of the glass, at the front of the car. Pay attention to the pronunciation. Front, short R, front of the car. The side of the car, the back of the car. At the beginning of the motorway, at the end of the motorway. Part D. Left and right. This is his left hand. This is his right hand. In York Street, there is a cinema on the left and a restaurant on the right. Part E. Home and away. Is Elena at home? At home means in her house, in her flat. No, sorry, she's out. When you want to say that somebody is out, you mean that this person is not here, but for a short period of time, at the shops or at work. No, sorry, she's away. When you say when somebody is away, you mean that this person is not here for a longer period of time, on holiday, for example. No, sorry, she's abroad, in another country. Now, let's have some practice exercises. 53.1. Fill the gaps with here, there, back, and everywhere. Number 1. Thanks for lending me your dictionary. I'll bring it back soon. Number 2. Come, Emma, don't go near the road. So, here, there, back, or everywhere. Come here, Emma. Number 3. This letter is for a teacher at university. This letter is for a teacher at the university. Can you take it? There. Number 4. I opened the washing machine too soon. Now there's water everywhere. Number 5. I want to leave this letter in Nora's office. Are you going there? And last one. I'm going to Italy. I'm going to Italy tomorrow, but I'm coming on Friday. Back. 53.2. Fill the gaps with the correct preposition. Number 1. My brother works in Paris. Do you remember? Borders. Number 2. Why do you always sit at the back of the class? At. Because we have this exact position, place, dot. Number 3. Let's go and sit on the sofa. Surface. Number 4. What time do you arrive? I'll meet you at the bus station. Specific place. Number 5. There was a picture of an old man on the wall. Surface. Do you usually study in your bedroom or in the living room? You have borders. 53.3. Mark the positions on the bus and on the tree. Number 1. The front, short R, of the bus. Number 2. The side of the bus. Number 3. The back of the bus. 3. The top of the tree. Then we have the middle of the tree. And last one, the bottom of the tree. 53.4. Fill the gaps with out, away or abroad. Number 1. I'd like to walk abroad and learn about a new country. Number 2. Is Lily here? No, she is, but she'll be back in about 5 minutes. She's out. Number 3. I'm going tomorrow. I'm going to stay with my sister for a few days. I'm going away. And number 4. When we go, we like to go and see new countries. When we go away, we like to go abroad and see new countries. 53.5. Answer these questions about yourself and about this book. Are you studying English at home or abroad? I'm studying English at home. Number 2. Are you going away this year? I want to believe that I'm going away this year. Number 3. What have you got in your left or right hand at the moment? Right now I have a pencil in my right hand. Number 4. What is there at the end of this book? I have no idea. Number 5. Where is Unit 3 in this book? Beginning. Where is Unit 63 in this book? End. So, this is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye!